It's pink. Once upon a time, in a beautiful pink kingdom full of flowers, birds, and soft light, there lived a kind and graceful queen, and everyone loved her because she always smiled and helped the poor, but deep in her heart she felt sad because she did not have a child, and every night she looked at the sky and whispered a soft prayer, hoping the gods could hear her. And one warm morning, while she was walking in her garden full of pink roses, she looked up to the blue sky and prayed again, with tears in her eyes. And suddenly a gentle voice came from the sky and said, "Dear Queen, do not worry. Your prayer is heard." And the Queen fell to her knees and thanked the gods again and again. And the voice said, "You will have a son, and this son will have a great power, the power of wishing. So you must protect him well." And the Queen felt hope bloom in her heart like a pink flower, and after some months a baby prince was born, and the whole kingdom was full of joy. Bells rang, people danced, and the king smiled for the first time in many years. And the Queen held her baby close and promised to love him forever. And 2 years passed like a soft dream, and one sunny day the Queen took her little son to the river to bathe him, as she always did. But she did not know that evil was watching her, because the royal cook was a greedy and dark man, and he wanted power and gold. And while the Queen was washing the child, the cook took the baby and ran into the forest. And when the Queen turned back, her arms were empty and her heart broke in fear. And she cried and searched and screamed, but she could not find her son. And with tears on her face, she ran to the king to tell him the truth. But the cook ran faster, and he reached the king first and told a terrible lie, saying the Queen let wild beasts take the child, and that his blood was on her clothes. And the king was full of pain and anger, and did not listen, and he shouted at the Queen and called her a liar, and in his blind rage he sent her to the Tower of Death for 7 long years with no food and no water. And the people cried, but no one could stop him. And the Queen was locked in the dark tower, cold and alone. But the gods were kind, and angels came each night to give her food and water. And she stayed alive with hope in her heart, and far away in the deep green forest. The prince grew up as a good and gentle boy, not knowing who he was or where he came from. And the evil cook pretended to be his uncle and watched him grow, waiting for the right time. And when the boy was older, the cook smiled with false kindness and said, "My dear boy, your uncle needs your help." And the boy trusted him and listened. And the cook said, "Close your eyes and wish for a great castle and a rich kingdom." And the boy did so, and in one moment a grand castle appeared shining in pink light, and the boy became king without knowing how. And the cook laughed inside his heart, and then he said, "You should not be alone. Wish for a beautiful maiden." And the boy wished again, and a kind and lovely girl appeared with a gentle smile and warm eyes. And they fell in love at once, and they danced, laughed, and lived happily. But happiness made the cook afraid. And at night he stood alone and looked into a mirror and spoke to himself with dark laughter, saying, "The prince must die before he learns the truth." And the cook went to the maiden and told her to kill the prince in his sleep, or die herself. And she cried and said she loved the prince, but the cook threatened her life. And that night the prince heard everything, and his heart was sad but strong. And he told the maiden not to fear, and in the morning he used his power and turned the cook into a black poodle with a golden collar and made him eat hot coal. And then the prince said he must find his true parents, and because he could not take the maiden with him, he turned her into the most beautiful pink rose and carried her close to his heart. And he walked for many days until he reached his old kingdom. And there he learned about the queen in the tower. And at night he wished for a ladder, and climbed to the tower, and found his mother alive, and they cried, and held each other, and the next day he went to the castle and asked the king for a feast. And during the feast he asked about the queen, and when the king spoke with anger, the prince showed the poodle and turned him back into the cook, and the cook cried and told the truth, and the king fell to his knees in pain and shame. And he freed the queen at once, and the family was together again, and the evil cook was sent to prison. And love and truth returned to the Pink Kingdom, and from that day on, people learned that greed brings darkness, lies bring pain, but love, patience, and truth always win, and they lived happily ever after.